ran the university very well. Law and order, rules, norms we followed, and I think it's extremely important for any academic leader, director, or a vice chancellor. Resource allocation. You have some funding from UGC, some other sources, you have to see to it how do you give to different faculty. How do you distribute the money, research available, travel money, attending seminars across different centers depending on the priorities, and you should assess the priorities and the needs properly. And third, planning for future growth. Where do we go from here? Where can we get finances? And how to talk to joint secretary, chairman of the UGC to see how more funds come, and when the visiting team comes from UGC, I've been a part of a few of them, how to impress them. Is there anything else? Running university administration, giving leadership, which includes not necessarily, when I remember when I became the dean, people said fix up the computers, the air conditioners, keep a good supervision on the cleaning toilet system. So that, of course, part of the dean also. In my school we had to do that, but besides that, how do we get money for your own school or for our own university, and future planning? I must tell you, how to develop research in an academic institution, how to plan academic activities are often not given that much of attention. That's why I wrote to Madam and also Dr. Kidwai that I would not like to talk about research. I've never been a vice chancellor. Maximum I had is a letter of appointment from a prestigious institute in, Shimla. I couldn't accept for family reasons, but nonetheless, I often felt when I visited different universities, institutions as reviewers, that these three are extremely important, necessary, but not sufficient. I think there has to be a proper research environment being created. You will excuse me, I will be talking about how really to promote research in an academic institution and research, maintain the academic programs, besides, of course, the governance. So you think about the gravitational waves discovery. Einstein had predicted that there are gravitational waves in physics, in quantum transformation. I remember in 1993, there was a Nobel Prize given to Russell for indirectly observing the gravitational waves. In 1916, Wizard, who got Nobel Prize for directly talking about gravitational waves. That changed the whole theory of physics. Now the question is, do the academic institution bring in those changes in your curriculum, in your research? Because things are happening in the world. Are you anticipating them and putting them in? Since I'm from social sciences, I can tell you, 1930, the global recession, Keynes comes in, says that whole neoclassical economics is bogus. It doesn't explain the world economy at all. And immediately, it took about 20 years to change the core structure. In India, I know even in the 60s and the 70s, we had not incorporated the new dynamics which had come up. So I think that's an important lacuna in our university and academic system, that we do not see the changes which are taking place in the global and the national situation and bring them into our country. More recently, 2008, 2009, global economic crisis. Did we anticipate that? And if we didn't, as we rightly pointed out and had a joke at the cost of the LSE economists, but are we changing the curriculum, learning from the experience of the global resource recession and also the current Eurozone crisis? Why I'm mentioning, because I was in Europe at that time, and I attended seminars and workshops. What did we learn from the global economic crisis? What have we learned, and have we been able to incorporate? British Academy convened a workshop in 2009. I think I made a mistake somewhere.
So there will be some wire is running.
That comes under my chair. Sorry, I'm working to the challenge. So,
Then we have technical person here who is in charge of the engineering college.
great. So, you see, the crisis not only changed the world system, it affected your understanding of social sciences, your economic theory, and the whole university system and the research institution in Britain were trying to respond